Okay, children, today we are going to start exercise 20.3, and it is also related to the factorization. Okay, here we are going to factorize, okay, the given algebraic expression by using the formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Okay, which is formula we are going to use, children? Just I have told you. Can you repeat once?
Sir, you haven't shared screen.
Okay. No, no, just I am telling orally only. A plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. These two formulas are using, okay, we are going to use them in factorization. Okay, Celine? Okay, as I told you, we are going to use, which is formula here. Look, I am going to show you first here. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means what? Do you know? A plus b into a plus b. A plus b will be multiplied with a plus b. A plus b, when you multiply with a plus b, you will get here, look here. When you multiply a with a, look at this, a multiply with both, this one, okay, this will be a square into, what is there? A square into a square, sorry, a into a, it will be a square, okay. And next one, what is there? A into a square, now a into b it will be, okay, there is sign plus also. A into b is ab, okay. And similarly, when you multiply by this plus b, b into a, this plus b into a, this is also ab, right? And b, when plus b multiply with plus b, it will be over here b square. And which is term are like term here? This is ab, this is also ab. These two terms are like term there. Then ab plus ab, when you add ab with ab, okay, what will you get, student? Do you know?
Sir, 2AB.
2AB.
Very good, very good. That's why a square plus, it will be 2ab, okay. And next one will be here plus b square. AB like term, that's why we can add them and b square remains same. Understood, children, this one? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And here, if here is minus a minus b, then what will be, you know, here a square minus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, what will you get, as I told? If there is a minus b whole square, if you open this one, okay, according to this above one multiplication, okay, you'll get which one? Do you know? You'll get a square
A square
minus,
minus 2AB plus B
yes, a
square.
square minus 2ab plus b square. Understood, children? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are using these two formula in our factorization of this exercise one. Look, I am proceeding to the exercise now. I am this one, okay, starting exercise now. Can you remember these two formula, children?
Yes, sir.
All of you once read this first one. What is a plus b whole square formula?
A square plus 2ab minus b square.
Plus this is plus. This one is plus, okay. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now what is the formula of a minus b whole square? Can you read again?
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
A square
Good, very
minus
good, very
2ab
good.
plus b square.
Yes, these are the two formula that you have to remember, okay, while factorizing the algebraic expression of the exercise 20.3. Now I am going to start the exercise. In this exercise, look here, everybody look carefully. What is here in first one?
Sir, p square.
First term p square. In this question, first term can be expressed, which I have put in circle. This can be also expressed in square, and last also can be expressed in square. Okay, children. In this factorization, what can be expressed first? First one we can express in square. Last also we can express in square. Okay, Simrika?
Sir, p plus q whole square.
No, first you are telling the right answer, Aditya, but first of all you learn the steps. What we have to do first, okay? First of all, we have to express first and last in square. First, what will be here like this? Okay, look here, I am going to show you. First, we have to show whole square like this, okay? P square, okay? And last, what is the last one? What is last one? Last one is Q. Q. Last one, what is there? Q. Okay. Q whole square make like this. Okay. First term is square, okay. Then last term is square. Then middle one there is plus sign. Then first bracket, this first bracket one is A. Last bracket one is B. Okay. And we need middle one is 2AB. We need middle one, what is there? 2AB. 2 into A. What is A here? First bracket one is A. What is A there, Aditya?
Sir, p.
Good. In place of A, there is P into, what is B? Here in last bracket, what is last one? That is B.
Q.
Yes. We have to check once. By multiplying this middle, look at this 2PQ, we have to check, multiply and check whether this product gives this one result or not. Look at this one, upper one. Does it give? Yes, of course. When you multiply 2P and Q, you will get 2PQ. Then it is in which formula? Do you know? It is in which formula? It is in A plus B whole square formula. A means P there plus, if here is plus, look, if here is plus, here will be plus, if here is minus, here will be also minus. If minus 2AB, okay, then it will be minus here. If there is plus 2AB, here will be also plus. P plus Q, what will be here? Whole square. P plus Q whole square means how many factors became? P plus Q and P plus Q, two factors are there. P plus Q and P plus Q, another also P plus Q. Understood, children? How many factors are there now? Two factors. One factor is P plus Q, and the factor also P plus Q. Understood, children? Aditya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am going to show the solutions of other questions also. Look here. How to factor this? I have already shown just now like this, okay? This one, look, as we know, a square plus 2ab plus b square is the expanded form of a plus b whole square. That's why this p square plus 2pq plus q square will be the expanded form of p plus q whole square. Then p plus q whole square means p plus q into p plus q. These are the two factor answers that I told you. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look here, I am going to show you the next question. Can you factorize this? What will you do? First, what will you do here? Everybody factorize now only and tell me the answer. What will you do here? First, I told to make first square, okay? Please, everybody write down a square and last what is there? 9. 9 means which square? That 9 is the square of 3.
3.
Good. Now, what should you do at the middle? I told 2ab. 2. What is in place of a here? First bracket.
Sir,
A
A.
only. A only. A is the A only here. And what is B there?
Sir, 9.
No 9. 9. B is 3.
3.
B is 3. B is 3. Right here 3. Good. Aviral has told correct answer. B is 3. Now check. When you multiply this, this multiplication gives the value this or not, check. Does it give minus 6a? Does it give or not? Yes,
Yes,
of course.
sir.
Yes, it gives. 3 to the 6 and a 6a. Then this is which formula do you know? This is which formula? A minus 3. A minus 3 what? Whole square.
Whole.
Good. A minus 3 whole square means how many A minus 3 are there? There are A minus 3, one factor, and the factor is also A minus 3. These are the two factors of this question. Understood, children?
Yes, sir.
Sarita, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sadiksha, are you clear about this factorization?
Yes, sir.
Good. If there is difficulty, please share, okay? Now I am going to show you the next question. What will you do in this question? Look here. What is first m square and 9n means what? What will you do? Can you tell, children? First make this square like this, m square, and last what is there?
Sir,
Ishika, can you?
3 and whole square.
Very good, very good. It will be 3n whole square. 3n whole square. Now middle plus or minus?
Sir, plus.
Plus, very good. And we need to make it 2ab. 2 comes from formula 2a. What is a here? First bracket.
Sir, M.
M. What is b there? Second bracket, this one.
Sir, 3.
3n.
Cn.
3n.
N. Cn, okay. Now check. If you multiply this, does this give this value or not? Check. 2 3 the 6 m into n mn. Does it come, children? Yes, it gives 6mn. That's why it is the formula of which one? M plus Cn what? Whole square. And how many factors are there now? One factor is M plus Cn. Okay. And another factor is also M plus Cn. Are you clear, children? Please show the response. Are you clear, Simrika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now look here, I am going to show you the next one. What is a square? Look here. Now you have to tell me how you will make this a square.
So 25a whole square.
25a whole square, not that. 5a, 5a. We have to make in bracket 5a. And 16b square means what will be there? 4b whole square. Okay, so then middle you have to make 2ab. Look, I want to show you one more, then other it will be easy for you. I am doing for this bi. For this one, okay, I am doing for bi. What is first I told just now? 5a. What will you write here? 5a whole square. Then here is plus sign. And last one, what is there? 4b whole square. Put in bracket. Don't forget to put them in bracket while writing whole square. And middle we have to make that 2ab. 2 into a. What is a there? A is there 5a. And what is b there?
4b.
4b. Good. Now let's check. This all multiplies comes this 40ab or not? Check. Here it will be no minus, okay. Here will be, look here is minus sign, but here is plus 1 became. Please make here which one sign? This one, which one sign you have to make?
Minus.
Yes, make there minus sign. Okay, children? Here should be minus sign because here is minus 40 AB, no there. That's why there will be minus sign. Now this is the formula of which one? Tell. 5a minus 4b whole square. And 5a minus 4b whole square means what is this meaning? It means 5a minus 4b, 5a minus 4b, 2 times we have to write them. Understood, children? These are the two factors of this question. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am going to show you the other questions, okay? And you have to do them yourself. I am showing one example. You'll show other one yourself, okay? In difficulty, you'll ask me. Okay, children? Look here, I am proceeding to the next slide. Here x square whole square means x power 4. 1 square means 1. And middle we have to make 2ab. 2a means this first bracket a, this last bracket is b. 2ab. When you multiply them, it comes to x square. Okay, now it is now x square plus 1 whole square. That means x square plus 1, x square plus 1 2 times. Okay, children? Now, in look at this 6 number also you have to do by same way. This 7 number also do by same. And this 8 also you have to do by same. First make a square, then last b square, middle make the 2ab. Okay, I hope you can do. Should I show in any question here from this 6, 7, 8? Tejas, should I show any question 6, 7, 8?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, can you show number 8, sir? I'm little bit confused in that fraction.
Okay, look here, I am going to show you. Look here. First we have to write that 2m whole square. And here is plus and plus. Last what is there? 1 by 3 and we have to write in bracket because 3 square means 9. Put this whole in one bracket. Okay, children? Middle light 2ab. 2 into a. What is a first bracket? 2m. Okay. And what is the second one? 1 by 3n. And check it here. When you multiply these, okay, does this give 4m by 3n or not? It gives 2
Yes,
to
sir.
the 2 to the 4, 4m by 3n it gives. Now this is the formula of which one? This is the formula of 2m plus 1 by 3n whole square. It means how many factors are there? It means 2m plus 3n and this one 2m plus 1 by 3n, 2m plus 1 by 3n, not 3n, 1 by 3n. And another also will be there, 2m plus 1 by 3n. These are the two factors of this question. Understood, children? Now, I am going to show you the next one. So, look the next slide. Look here. Okay. In next slide, look here. This is also we have to use same one. First a square make, then last b square make, a square b square, the middle make 2ab. Then this is in formula of a minus b whole square. A means 2ab, b means 3c. 2ab minus 3c whole square, that means 2ab minus 3c, 2ab minus 3c. There are two factors. Okay, children? As we know that here it will be better to put a minus sign in this one, okay? This one at the side one formula, but that formula is correct. Here I told here one a minus, because this formula is related to minus 1, that's why I told you here better to put a minus sign. Okay, children? Here I told it will be better to keep their minus sign. If there is minus in place of a square minus 2ab plus b square, then what will be its expanded form? Children, what will be their expanded form this if there is minus then? If there is minus, then that is the expanded form of a minus b whole square. Okay, children? Now, similarly, we have to factorize other questions too, okay? Look here, in other questions, What will you do in a square here, children? Do you know? In xi, okay? This 11 number, what will you do? 3pq whole square, and b means there 5r whole square. Then middle make there 2ab, 2 into 3pq into 5r. Similarly, 12 number you have to make x square y whole square, and last one is 7z whole square. Then middle make 2 into x square y into 7z. Then you can do here a minus b whole square formula. Okay, Sakshi? Sakshi, can you factorize this 11 and 12 number? Riva, can you factorize this 11 and 12 number? Okay, please, children, you have to show the response, okay? Now in question number 2. Question number 2 also same. Here also A. What is A? Can you tell children what is A here? It is also in formula. What is A there? A square is there. Look here, this first bracket one, this A square. This last one is this B square. C is the B. Okay, there now. 2A. A means A minus B and B means C. Then we have written A plus B whole square. A means A minus B and B means here C. This C is the B. Then it will be here A minus B plus C whole square. Okay, children? Then its two factor will be what? A minus B plus C, A minus B plus C. These two are the factor of this. Similarly, you have to factor this two number. Here A means 2x plus y and B means 5. Then 2x plus y minus 5 whole square, that means 2x plus y minus 5. These are the two factors. And here, next one, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, this 7 also. We have to factor it like this. Look, 7 number I have shown here. A means m square whole square and B means there this m plus 2 whole square. This B means 2 m plus 2, okay? B means this one, look here. This B means m plus 2. This is A. Then we have written A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square means, look here, this one, look here. M plus 2 whole square. This no m plus whole square means this will come, that's why. But this is in another formula. Look, A square minus B square formula. A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B. Open the bracket. Minus plus minus here. Minus 2 will be here. These are the two factors. This is the different question that I solved here. These other are 4, 5, 6. Okay. These three questions are similar as previous one. Okay, and if difficult, then you can share me your difficulties and I will help you. Same here, look at next one. This also. First three term, there is x square common, then take x square common. This 25 means 5x square. This. Then this first three terms are in formula 2x minus 1 whole square. That is the whole square of x into 2x minus 1 whole square minus 5 whole square. This means a plus b, a minus b. Then remove the bracket, then it will be 2x square minus x, okay, plus 5. It will be 2x square minus x minus 5. These two are the factors. Similarly, solve this bii, okay, 8 number, and in difficulty you will share with me and I will help you. Okay, children? Similarly, here in question number 3, look here. Question is telling to fill in the blanks to make it in perfect square. Look here. Here first one is m square. Look, a square, this is b square. Okay, we need middle to ab. We fill here 2 into m into 5. That means what did we fill to make it perfect square? We fill here 10 mn. We fill here 10 mn. That is our answer. Similarly, what will we fill here? What will we fill here? Okay, that you can do yourself as this example number I. Okay, children? Now, similarly, here also we can do there. Okay, first of all, make this a square, last b square, then middle make it 2ab. Multiply them, whatever comes answer, that we have to fill there. So that's so here we have to put here 2p whole square, okay, and minus here last what is there 5q whole square, and middle we have to write here 2ab, 2 into 2p into 5q. What did we fill here? This one is filled 1. 2 4s are 8. Is this 4? It is 2 only. Look here. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20 pq. We fill here 20 pq. Okay, children. Similarly, we can do other answer, other question also. Okay, children. Today this much only. Thank you very much. And you solved all the questions, and in difficulties, please, you have to share with me your difficulties.